Okay, chefing with Ben. Today we're talking about...
Alright, boys, girls, everyone is welcome. Welcome to cooking classes with Ben. College cooking classes with Ben. Today we're going to be cooking some ramen. You know, a lot of people don't know how to cook ramen. It's kind of difficult, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. Alright, let's move over to the microwave here. Now, because we're in college, we don't have a pot, we don't have water, nowhere to boil that water. That's how you usually make ramen, right? But we're not about that gourmet stuff, all right? I'm gonna show you how a ramen pro can make ramen with just a simple microwave, all right? Now first, you're gonna need your pack of ramen, all right? We get in here. I'm working with Maruchan brand, all right? This isn't a brand deal, but I highly recommend it. The cost-benefit ratio is up there, all right? Then you're gonna need yourself a bowl. Let's find a bowl in here. Where my bowl? Let's check the
There's a bowl right here, there's a bowl right here. There's a bowl. This is Mark's bowl, but we're using the roommate's bowl.
Matter.
But the
Hey, that's what's great about this. Any bowl works.
Any bowl
right?
works.
Ramen. You're gonna open your pack, okay? Now, I like to take it out first instead of dump it. This is a pro move right here. This is a pro move because in the ramen packet, look at this. Look at these crumbs.
Whoa.
Even though I spilled a bunch, you don't want that shit. That shit's hard to get with a spoon, right?
Whoa!
You just eat that.
Whoa!
Alright. Relax. I realize I said shit a lot in this video. I can't use it for class.
You can blur it.
Alright, Bird. Break the ramen in half. Boom. One break. Alright. And you're gonna want to keep your lines as straight as possible. Now, because we got a big bowl from the roommate, you can actually keep these in straight lines. That's gonna give you those longer noodles, right? Give you a more homey, professional feel, even when you're in college. We gotta get some water.
So now we go to the bathroom and get some water.
We're going to the bathroom.
We not forget our masks.
We're gonna have to censor this because I think it's illegal to film in a bathroom, okay?
So we'll be right back. We're back.
We're back. All right.
We've got water.
Here's the ramen. We got the water. This is normal water, I swear. And we're just gonna stick it right in there. All right. You can see in there. You can see in there. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Check this out. 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yeah. Now we're gonna wait for that to finish, and we'll be right back. And we're back again. Okay, as you can see, and haven't touched the microwave yet, okay? So, no camera tricks here, promise. The unveiling. Alright, let's take that out. And it's gonna be a bit hot. It's gonna be a bit hot, but that's what we want, right?
That is what we want.
That is what we want. Alright. So, move this out. Now we come down to preference. Personally, I like to drain the water. I like to drain almost all of the water. That gives you more richness in the noodles, more noodle paste, rather than noodle taste, rather than just a broth. But if you like broth, you like broth. You're your own person. Now we're gonna find our flavor packet, which is down here. No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Bro, where's the flavor packet? Oh, there it is, of course. We got our flavor packet. But we need to drain the ramen first. So I'm gonna go do that.
Let's go.
So hot.
That's how you do it.
In college. Who would? Alright. You're gonna leave a little bit of the water though. You don't want to take it all out. You see? Good amount in there. Alright, let's go back. Alright. Now it's for the finishing touches. Ramen flavor packet included with the Maruchan ramen purchase.
Whoa.
Open that up. Now I'm gonna fill it. I'm only gonna use about half of that flavor packet though. All right. Leave a little too much salt, but again, preference. Mix that up. Get that chicken flavor in there. Chicken flavor. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Now that's tasty by itself. But if you want to really polish off this ramen dish, this is the most important ingredient.
Oh.
Your sriracha cha, tiong ut sriracha with the chicken on its sauce.
Whoa.
You put some of that in there. Mouthful of flavor. Gonna get some beautiful flavors. And it'll taste just as gourmet as if you got it in China.
Whoa.
And that's all. That's all, folks. That's all you need. This has been College Cooking with Ben. And you'll see us next time. We're going to be making some pancakes on a mini hot plate.